Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create an accountant's copy of your company file to give to your accountant should they ask for one. When an accountant's copy is created, you can still use your company file and later import changes made by your accountant in the accountant's copy back into your company file. This gives you more flexibility for data entry than the portable company file option does. To create an accountant's copy of the currently opened company file, select File, Send Company File, Accountant's Copy, Save File from the menu bar. Click the Next button in the wizard that appears and select a dividing date. The dividing date is the date before which your accountant can make changes, but you cannot. After that has been selected, click the Next button to continue. At that point, select the removable media to which you will be saving the copy, and then click the Save button to create the copy. After creating the accountant's copy, give the file you have created to your accountant to make the necessary changes. At this point, your original company file will display text that says Accountant's Changes Pending within its title bar. You can still perform data entry in the original company file, but you cannot make some kinds of changes to the company file, like deleting, renaming, or structurally rearranging the existing accounts in the chart of accounts.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.